Salut, c'est le reporter de Jules. Merci.
I'm teaching the French how to make French toast. But luckily they had everything you need. And no offense, Mom, but this is going to be a slightly bit better than yours because they have fresh nutmeg with a little sander in there. So this is going to be a really good French toast. And the cinnamon is from Greece, I guess. So this is going to be pretty good. I'm excited. They even have a little bit of maple syrup. Yay! I was so excited to see this, and it's from Canada too. Oh, Canada! Cooking in the toast, cooking the toast, cooking in the toast. Yeah. All right, so I hope you guys like this. And this is our new pet. Juju. So,
ouais, salut, c'est le reporter de quelqu'un à voir.
L'anglais.
Yeah.
Ma famille.
Il parle pas français, j'ai lu.
Il parle pas français.
But you have to speak English.
Tu besoin de parler en anglais.
Merci.
I love this.
Yeah, me too.
Like, when I was a kid, I would eat, like, literally when I was a kid, I would eat like 4 or 5 of these in one sitting. And not healthy at all.
Yeah, you have something like that too on you. It's so good.
Yeah? You have something like it here?
Yeah.
Salut, je m'appelle Jules.
Tu besoin de parler en anglais? Parce que ma famille ne comprend
Louise, tu peux dire
comprends pas
salut,
français.
je m'appelle Jules parce que moi je sais pas dire.
Tu sais le dire en plus.
Ah oui, c'est vrai. My name is.
Qu'est-ce que ton nom?
Jules.
Jules, oui! Très bien, très bien. Quel âge tu as?
Quel âge tu as?
Quel âge tu as? En anglais.
7.
Oui? I am 7.
I am 7.
Good! Très bien. Cooking toast, doing the toast steaks. I haven't cooked in a long time, so I'm a little excited about this. Oh man, I can smell like that fresh nutmeg. Oh, it's so good.
Oh yeah.
Jules, tu veux essayer? Non, essayez, mange.
Oui.
Oui? Okay.
But he won't say no. Trust me. Yeah, we do the same but with bread.
This is bread.
No.
What do you call this?
Excusez-moi, excusez-moi.
Brioche. Quoi?
Yep.
Arrête, Jules. I thought that I had a sweet tooth, and she just doused this in pure sugar cane.
C'est qui est sur ton... C'est qui est sur ta photo?
I'm glad you like it though.
Oh yeah.
Oh my gosh, this stuff is so good.
J'adore.